So yes, moving on. Guessing we have Ghosh with us. Hello, Yaman, once again. It's only fair, as Arushida says, that we introduce our very lovely showcase performer for the evening for Soul Sutra Volume Yaman. We welcome you on board with us once again, Soul Sutra Volume 4. He's
Thank you so much.
oldest beatboxers from the city. He has not only been a part of the Kolkata Beatbox champion in the tag team division and crew battle champion at National Beatbox Championships at Colossal 4.0, but also had judged a lot of college fests. I think some of us have come across you in Xavier's. He's one of the proud members of the national champion team Frequency. I love the name Frequency, and he was also the semi-finalist at Maruti Suzuki Colors of Youth Season 7 and 8. So here we have the rising star who had also performed at various platforms, including TEDx. So yeah, welcome you on board with us once again. Before we go ahead with performances of the three very enthusiastic beatboxers of the circuit, we would definitely love to have you say words about the event, your experience about Soul Sutra and the beatboxing community and your experience in the circle as a whole.
Beatboxing in general was very underrated, like around 5 years ago, something of that sort. But for the past couple of years, what I have seen in the community and in the industry, like people are really appreciating the fact that people are actually making music out of their mouth. Like it's a vast field. Like it does not have any limitations of some sort. And I also think like every beatboxer who is like starting now or later, like I think everyone can beatbox actually, and whoever is starting and like just starting off or just performing or needs experience or something, just don't think about anything, just practice, listen to other beatboxers, listen to music, and yeah, believe in yourself somewhere. Yeah.
Absolutely. Any particular beatboxer that you idolize, maybe in the
Any
world,
particular
if
beatboxer that I
besides?
idolize?
Yep.
Like I basically, like
Yes.
there are a few beatboxers like Reef Swan, Skiller, and like old school beatboxers. I basically follow the old school beatboxers, like
Mhm.
who actually look for music and not too much into new school, which is like very technical stuffs and all. I mainly focus into music like saxophone sound, imitating the sound of the saxophone or trumpet or like flute sounds, or like, I play around with sounds. So there is no specific beatboxer whom I follow, but yeah, I look for music. I'm always curious. So yeah.
Absolutely, absolutely. We'd definitely love to hear from you in a couple of minutes. So yes, after that, we've officially come to the performance of Yaman Ghosh. Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you so much. Yeah, all the phone calls and everything. Thank you so much for being so cooperative, and thanks for all the support.
So should I begin or like?
Yeah. So,
Absolutely, you have. Yes.
All right. So I'll start off with
Yes,
some
yes,
fields, all
Shirish.
right?
Yeah, were you saying something?
yeah, I was just going to give a countdown for Yamanda.
Absolutely. Go ahead. Go ahead.
So,
Did it.
as we beatbox, say one, two, three, beatbox.
I'll start off with some fields, all right? Zup, 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 zup. Here we go, here we go, here we go, live. Here we go, live. Switch. Take it low. Bring it back, 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 bring it back. Switch. Thanks, guys.
Oh my God. Oh my God. I mean, how? It's okay. We have so many questions, but limited time. I'm just not getting enough adjectives to describe your performance. But damn, man, what was that? What was it? I mean, it was otherworldly. I think
Thank you so much.
one of our Rupanjali said that's exactly what we are feeling. The comments exploding. So
Thank you
you're
so much.
amazing. Oh my God, everything.
Thanks a
Thank you
lot.
so much. Thank you so much for supporting Soul Sutra Volume 4.
Thank you
We'll
for having me.
definitely keep all of our partners and collaborators posted with the project that we have in mind. Definitely. Thank you so much.